Introducing AZEK Siding and Trim. AZEK Siding is part of a complete system that has all you need for a simplified installation and elevated aesthetics. In this video, we'll guide you through quick steps to ensure a successful installation of AZEK Siding and Trim. AZEK Siding is available in 4.5 and 7.5 inch reveal heights, offered in a variety of popular colors, so no painting is needed for protection. Standard 16-foot board lengths mean fewer joints for a faster installation and better final appearance. AZEK offers a series of lap siding specific trims, starters, band, and freeze boards, all designed to work to create a seamless appearance. All AZEK lap siding and trim products are manufactured in the United States and carry a lifetime limited warranty. Prior to installation, ensure your siding is stored properly. Always inspect materials prior to installation for any defects or damage. Avoid installation in temperatures below 0 degrees Fahrenheit. AZEK lap siding is lightweight and easy to carry. Boards should be carried on edge to prevent bending and damage. Before you begin installation, make sure you have all the necessary tools ready. AZEK lap siding can be installed with a variety of fasteners based on project location and needs. Hot-dipped galvanized fasteners are recommended for best results. Check the installation guide for additional fastener options that may be required, especially if your project is in a high wind area. Stainless steel fasteners are required for coastal applications or areas with high moisture exposure. A successful installation starts with good substrate preparation. Before beginning, ensure the wall is flat, even, and plumb, and that the substrate is dry and free of rot, water damage, mold, and mildew. Create a proper building envelope by applying a weather-resistive barrier. Install the weather-resistive barrier system per the manufacturer's instructions. Now that your building envelope is complete, you are ready to begin the installation. For AZEK's lap siding, best practice is to install the siding before installing the trim. You will need to mark your trim lines for all trims being applied prior to installing siding. This method provides you better visual cues throughout the installation. Now it's time to install the starter. AZEK offers multiple starter options to fit various project needs, including stainless and galvanized metal starters, a lap siding skirt board, and a tapered starter. The lap siding skirt board and tapered starter can be used instead of a metal starter and are designed to interlock with the first course of siding. In this video, we will show you the metal starter installation. If using a metal starter strip, measure and mark a line 3 5/8 inches above the bottom edge of your first course of siding. This will be the top of your metal starter. Fasten the starter strip using galvanized or stainless steel fasteners. Make sure to use galvanized fasteners with a galvanized starter strip or stainless steel fasteners with the stainless steel starter strip. Be sure to secure within 2 inches of both ends of each metal starter and fasten a maximum of every 16 inches on center across the length of the starter. Next, before you cut and install your first panel of siding, you need to check the temperature of the material so you know how far into the pocket of where the trim will be placed to start the siding material. Hold up a piece of siding to the wall and use the IR temperature gun to check the surface temperature of your siding. Once you have checked the temperature, reference our temperature chart to guide you how far past your snapped line to start or cut your siding panel. With the starter in place, hook the first course of siding onto the starter and slide it onto the starter strip. This is a floating system. Make sure the siding can slide left and right after installation. Use downward pressure along the length of the board to ensure the board is fully seated. To cut AZEK lap siding, follow these tips. Use a fine-tooth blade to help minimize any chipping. If using a miter saw, lay the material with the colored cap facing up. Cut the drip edge first and then work toward the nail hem. If using a circular saw, lay the material with the colored cap facing down and use a speed square as a guide to ensure a straight edge. Cut the nail hem first before working toward the drip edge. Fasten your siding through the center of each nail slot. Do not install AZEK lap siding tight to the wall. Be sure to leave a small gap behind the panel for lateral movement. For coastal or high moisture exposure applications, stainless steel fasteners are required. After fastening, confirm the panels can slide freely. If your length is greater than 16 feet, you will need to splice panels. Use the AZEK nail hem bracket system. Tightly butt 2 panels together and center the bracket over the seam. Fasten it securely with the provided screws, ensuring the brackets are flush with the siding. Once the first course is installed and level, all subsequent courses can be laid out and cut. For best aesthetics, a double stud step-back stair-step design is suggested, meaning there should be approximately 32 inches between the butt joint or end of the panel from course to course. Continue installing additional courses of siding. Be sure to properly seat the hook of each new row into the nail hem of the course below to ensure each course is secure. Use a level every few courses. AZEK also offers a wide variety of color-matched blocks and vent covers to help finish off your project. Install these items as you work up the wall, placing before you install the course of siding surrounding it. Be sure to provide proper clearance around the block to allow the siding to move. After installing siding, add the decorative snap ring if applicable. The AZEK Lap Siding and Trim system also includes a series of trims to complete the project, including lap siding corners, freeze boards, and band boards. If you would like to feature a decorative lap siding band board, you can install it by inserting it over the appropriate course of lap siding and then fastening as you would AZEK trim. Use Cortex fasteners for best results. Do not screw into the bottom 1.5 inches of the band board. To finish off the top of the wall using the AZEK Lap Siding Freeze Board, install the freeze so that it rests on top of the last course of siding. If you plan to use a 4-inch freeze board at the top of the wall, stop your siding 2 1/4 inches from the top. If you plan to use a 6-inch freeze board, stop your siding 4 1/4 inches from the top. Install 2 fasteners every 16 inches on center or less. Make sure fasteners are approximately 1 1/2 inches away from the edge of the board. To install the AZEK Rabbited Corner Board, follow these fastener spacing guidelines. For 4-inch corner boards, use 1 fastener every 12 inches or less along the length of the board on both sides of the corner. For 6-inch corner boards, use 2 fasteners every 12 inches or less along the length of the board on both sides of the corner. For 8-inch corner boards, use 3 fasteners every 12 inches or less along the length of the board on both sides of the corner. Cortex fasteners are recommended for best results. Best practices to remember when installing AZEK lap siding. 1. Be sure to always check the temperature of the siding as you are cutting and installing it into the pocket depth, as this may change throughout the day. 2. Use proper fasteners and ensure proper fastener placement. Do not secure the boards too tight. This is a floating system. Make sure the siding can slide left to right after installation. 3. Use AZEK nail hem bracket and screw to join all siding joints together. 4. Be sure all penetrations and fixtures allow the siding to slide freely behind it. 5. Reference our full installation guidelines and warranty before installation. You now know how to install AZEK lap siding. All AZEK lap siding and trim products are made from rot-resistant PVC and are backed by a lifetime limited warranty. Visit azekexteriors.com for more information.